Friends, I have come up with a new video. You can see this is a radiogram which is given to me for restoration, and this is HMB Safari Deluxe. The condition is very bad. You can see the platter condition of the platter is not well. Selector switch is also not in good condition, and this is also not in very good condition. I don't know, I have not opened yet whether I will be able to service it or not, but I have to check one by one, and I have to first clean this set, then I will check all other parts whether they are actually inside the set or not. See the mechanism inside. This is the idler wheel or idler pulley. Let me show you. This is the step pulley. Actually the motor itself is not installed properly, that is why we are not able to see this in proper manner. This is very old. This is how it looks like. This is a DC motor, this is a transformer, and this is a circuit where the AC is converted to DC. This is a capacitor, can type. This is a switch which turns platter on and off, and this is a ferrite rod antenna for AM reception, and this is the inside circuit which has fallen down. So lots of work need to be done. I don't know how much I will be able to complete it, but will try my utmost. This is the condition of the faceplate. This is a dial. I have uninstalled the circuit from the cabinet, and you can see now this is the radio RF section. This is the antenna coil, a ferrite rod antenna coils. Signal captures, AM signal captures by these coils and transmits it to this point, and from there it goes to the RF oscillator and antenna coils, and it gets oscillated from there, and it goes to the IF section. These are the IF, intermediate frequency transformers, IFTs. You can see one coil is damaged here. There should be this type of can here, which is not there, so I have to check that. Repairing these sorts of old radios are very challenging due to the unavailability of the spare parts, specific spare parts, and then the signal get converted into audio signal and goes to the amplifier sections. And this is the heatsink. I believe it has been made by AC 187, 188 or AC 127, 128. Once I will check these, I will be able to understand what is the number of this transistor. This is a germanium type transistor, and all other transistors are silicon type. There is one preset, you can see. This preset actually controls the collector current of this transistor. However, till now this is the condition. I have to check all the components one by one whether they are working fine or not. By the way, you can see there is one switch. It has already damaged. This switch is supposed to be here, locked like this one, but this has damaged. Now I have to check whether I can get this type of switch. See the condition of the speaker, completely damaged. I don't know about the voice coil, I have not measured yet, but the cone is damaged, so I have to repair this one. This is a 1 ohm resistor which has been burnt out, so I have to replace this. I will replace this one with this new one. As you can see now, I have replaced all the electrolytic capacitors along with the output transistors. These are the AC 128 and AC 127 germanium Darlington pair transistor. Here the company used one AC 127, AC 128 as a pair transistor for output, and also one AC 128 here. Other than this, there are some silicon transistors like BC148B. Couple of those type of transistors are used here as a driver, and I have replaced all these. And what I found, actually, I just want to show you, all the output transistors were actually faulty. Those are gone, so I have replaced all the 3 output transistors of AC 127, 128. Along with that, I have to replace the resistors also. This resistor is actually burnt out. There are some other resistors which I have changed due to the value, and this is a NTC which I found that broken. The wires are broken, so this has been replaced by another one. Now I will check the audio whether it is working or not. So for that I am giving the power to it. I have given the power. This is a volume control, and this should be the audio midpoint. Yes, the audio has came back, so I can see, you can also see the audio has came back and it's working now. So that means the audio section is working fine. Now I have to check the radio section. I don't know whether I will be able to repair it or not, but I will try my utmost to do that. Later these switches need to be replaced, that I will think later on, but now it's time to go for the radio section. The IF section. I just want to show you, see this transistor, this is a BF194. I have to replace a couple of these type of transistors in the radio section which were faulty. In these days it is very rare, you hardly find this type of transistors. However, as I restored this type of sets, so I have some, and with that I have actually started the radio section also. I am giving power to it. You can see now the radio is going on. This is a tuning capacitor gang. So at last radio section is also working. I had to replace these two wires along with this pin which was broken, I found, so I had to reset it in the gang. Now I have to check all the wirings. As you can see, I have cleaned this metal part. Now you can see the 16 rpm, 78, 45, 0 and 33 rpm, and I have also cleaned this mechanism, given oil, machine oil here and also grease here, so that it should move properly. Earlier it was not moving, now you can see it is moving easily. Another thing I just want to show you, this was the switch which was earlier connected. I have tested, I am showing you. This is my meter bar fixed on continuity. The beep should be here on either position, but no beep coming. While I was tuning, I found one problem, that the pointer is not installed in the correct manner. That means the pointer is supposed to cover the total length from 500 meter up to 1600 or 1200 1600 meter, but in the lower side, when it is coming to 500, it is getting stopped in 550 meter band. It is not going to 500 meter mark. So I have opened this one to check what is the problem, and what I found, that this particular pointer is later soldered. So this is the problem. So what I will do, I will desolder this from here and I will set it in the middle. Now once I set it in the middle, I will the pointer will go to the 500 meter band. So this problem will be solved also. Now that I have fixed the switch here, and I have also put the electrolytic capacitor, a total of 2200, and this is 330, 2530 microfarad, 25 volt, and the positive line is connected with the switch. The positive supply will be connected in this section of the switch, and the ground is already connected with the negative portion of the negative lead of the capacitor, and from here negative line is going to the motor, and from here the positive line is going to the motor. Once the switch will work properly, this supply voltage will go to here and it will charge this capacitor, and it will give the voltage to the motor. Here I will connect the pickup wire which will be coming from the cartridge. Just want to show you now. This is the condition. I have painted this section because it was so dirty. Without painting, the work is not going to be completed, and I have fixed here a new switch. I have removed the tonum, will connect later. I have replaced new rubber grommets and also replaced the rubber pulley or the idler wheel. Inside of this gang you can see there are some shafts. Now if outer shafts, this one the outer shaft, get touched with this internal one, then the sound will come. That means the capacitance is not getting changed from that point to the end point. So what I have to do, I have to fix it. Now you can see I have repaired it, and now what I am doing, I am putting this inside. Let me put it in this way. No noise. I have to purchase a new switch, and my client has also told me to add on one Bluetooth device inside it. That the speaker has been recorded with a new voice coil of 8 ohms. This is after the repairing of the speaker, and now I will fit this here, and this will be fixed here. This is the potentiometer, but these switches are not working. Now you can see I have repaired this switch. Earlier the switch was not working. Now when I am checking, let me check it from here. Now when I am checking it, you can see the continuity is coming. The continuity is coming. Now if I select it here, the switch is now disconnected. You can see the switch is now disconnected. So I am switching it on once again. You can see the beep sound is coming. The switch is being repaired successfully. Once I try to run the gang with this spindle, I am showing you this one, because client will use this spindle to move the gang. When I tried to do that, I found that the dial cord, this is called dial cord is loose. So I have fixed the cord tightly. I have removed the pointer. Later I will put the pointer in proper way. You can see now the gang is actually moving in proper manner, and I am doing it with the help of the spindle. Till now you can see I have already fixed the power supply unit, and the AC connections are completed. My client has one wish. He want to have a Bluetooth device in this record player, so I have purchased this one. This is a Bluetooth kit along with FM, and this is the IR infrared sensor which I have to fix. I thought that this is going to be the best place to fix it. If this circuit I install here, then the infrared will also work, because it will be controlled through remote control. This is the kit where the connection of IR, it is showing that first one is 3 volt, another second one is IRD, and third one is ground. But actually this first one is 3 volt, second one is ground, and third one is IR. So I have to adjust the pin to fix it in correct manner. Otherwise this will not work and might damage the board. So this is one thing. I have also fixed a speaker. You can see guys, the kit has been installed in proper manner here, and this is the supply unit for this Bluetooth kit, because this kit will draw a current, and it also takes 5 volt, not 9 volt. So what I have done, I have fixed one 7805 IC which will regulate at 9 volt and give 5 volt to this circuit, and this switch will allow the user to play this Bluetooth device. Now what I will do, I will fix it. Finally you can see the restoration process is completed. Installed new stylus in the cartridge, and this is 145 RPM record just for the sake of restoration process I will play it. This is a new antenna fixed here. So first of all, I just want to show you that the switch which was not working, now it is working. And now first of all, what I will do, try to play the platter. It is not playing. Now I am turning it on. You can see it is rotating. This is the tone control. Now I will not play much song, but just for testing purpose. You can see so this is 45 rpm. Switching it off. I will not play any more record here, but I will show you the speeds. Now I am changing it to 33. This is 33 rpm. This is 16 rpm. Though we do not have records in India as such to use it. This is 33. This is 45 rpm, and this is 70 rpm. So the turntable is completed. Now I am switching it off. Now it's time for radio. So I am using this switch not for AC and battery right now. What I have done earlier, this switch was used to change from radio to radiogram. Now I have installed one switch which is having one midpoint. I am telling you about this later. So I have tested gram, so I do not need gram anymore. So I am pushing it to radio. This is radio. আবার সবচেয়ে ছোট ঋণাত্মক পূর্ণ সংখ্যা শুভম কিছু বলতে পারবে? সেটাও দল আমরা ধরেছিলাম, সেই দলগুলো মানে স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যার দল, অখণ্ড সংখ্যার দল। ক্যালকাটা A station. I just want to show you a little snap of shortwave. This is shortwave. You can see this is the shortwave, 25 meter band, shortwave 2. So the radio section is completely okay. Now I will push this switch to central part and allow this one to push it here. FM mode. Now this is the FM. This is FM mode. This is the remote control which is used. I'm changing the stations. These are the entertainment partner Bangla Z5. देखो इन गानों की collection. And from here AUX mode, I can change it to Bluetooth mode also. Bluetooth mode. Now the Bluetooth mode is connected. So if I use my mobile phone to play any sorts of songs or any other videos, I can do that also. So this particular radiogram, after the completion of restoration, now is a collaboration or combination of early 1960s record player and radios, at the same time 21st centuries and digital FM, at the same time Bluetooth mode also. So the user will be able to use it for listening the LP or the records, as well as he or she can use it for listening the medium wave, short wave or FM, as well as he or she can use it for listening any video or audio using Bluetooth also. FM mode. AUX mode. I have installed it here, so I can see the light of the display here also. Thank you friends, hope you have enjoyed this restoration. We will see next time with another set. If you like my video, please like and share my channel and subscribe my channel if you wish to. Thank you. and be safe.